Greetings, friends. It's another day, another opportunity to mess around with the Jeep Cherokee Briarwood project. Got the doors open, getting her aired out right now because I'm gonna take her on the road for the first time today. Thanks for watching Safety Optional. Let's get going. Hood secured. Can already tell you one problem. The seat is raised up and the motor for the back part will not lower it down any further. Let's turn on some air conditioning. Ooh, battery gauge is going down a little bit. I'm gonna not do that. Y'all smell that? Doesn't smell electrical. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's so hot. Hold on. Oh, it's hot. Oh. I mean, it does smell like a little bit of a electrical type smell in here maybe, but could just be the age of her too. So I totally realized that I spaced out and deleted the video of my son changing the oil in the Briarwood here. I don't know what I was thinking, but I deleted it. I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, suffice it to say that we did change the oil in it. It's now running like a top. The engine's in great shape. Okay, next steps. This thing hasn't driven in a long time. None of the fluids have been taken care of other than what we've already done. But I did notice some oil all around the rear differential. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil in the rear diff. If we're going to be driving this thing on the highway, we need to know that the gears aren't gonna blow up and just explode the rear end. Jack stands are fine. Wow, that oil looks really good. Really good. That's surprising. This thing has been well maintained. I can see through it as it's coming down. It doesn't look old and funky at all. Okay. And on these diff covers from this era, they had a rubber plug. Lots of gasket maker schmoo on here to clean off. Gears look like they're in splendid working order. Hardly any play in the between the ring gear and the pinion. All right, ignore the messy workbench. I've been letting my 9-year-old son play out here. I took the diff cover, I cleaned it, got it all looking nice and clean, and painted it. Now it's all shiny on the underside, nice and clean. Gonna go ahead and put some RTV on it and get it ready to stick back onto the Jeep. All right, there she is back together. Last step, fill it with oil. It's always a pain on these because you can't reach it very good or tip the bottle up. So if I'd been smart, I would have gotten the bag, the gear oil that comes in a bag, but nobody ever accused me of being smart. While I'm down here, I'm going to admire these beautiful tires that are on here, and you can see that they are just split, cracked, sun damaged, not fit for highway driving. They'd probably make it a little while, but you get a blowout. So one thing I want to show you guys, according to the Goodyear code here, these are manufactured on the second week of 2008. So they are a good 13 plus, almost 14 years old, and it really shows when you look at all the little cracks and stuff in them. So I'm working on making arrangements to get a new set of tires put on here. All right, while I'm out here messing around with the jack, there's one other thing that I want to do. Being the moron that I am, whenever I picked this up, I tried hooking the come along to the bumper, and it just bent the bumper, and so I want to see if I can fix that. And I have a strategy for how I'm going to do that. Well, I'm afraid that's as good as it's going to get for now, but that'll work. All right, so I went and got new tires for this bad boy, like I promised. 235/75R15s. They're a little bit bigger than the stock tires for this, but just a touch. And I went with the BF Goodrich Trail Terrain TA tires. They're like a step down from the all-terrains. They got pretty good tread. But because this thing is going to be the street queen, I didn't want it to have super aggressive tires. So I think these are going to work just fine. Although they do need a little tire shine. But look at how much better that fills up the wheel well. And just looks a little bit more aggressive, which is what this thing needs. Now I can at least go down the highway, take this thing on the road, not worry about having to blow out and dying. And you know, I gotta recognize my old baby here. She's still going strong as ever. Both Cherokees, baby. I'd just like to thank you for watching Safety Optional and being a part of this experience with us. I'm going to continue working on the Jeep Cherokee Briarwood project, probably do a little bit more work on this Cherokee, and we're definitely going to do some more work on the V8 swap Comanche project. So keep watching. We're going to do some more dumb stuff, more of the silliness that you've come to know and love from our group. But to all of you who subscribed and continue to watch, I just want to tell you thank you. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more entertaining stuff from us as we go on.